Now we're coming to the stage where the client is quite happy with what they've seen. They're good to go. We now need to start thinking about the technical elements. So I want to now start inserting my my utilities or services. So now I could have done it as we were going along, as I said. So every time I inserted an item, the program would tell me I need to insert a utility, and I can do it there and then, but we chose not to. So we were now going to do that. Straightforward and simple. I click on the utilities area, click on a single utility. I click on the item I want to give a service to. Here we go. Takes me straight away to the utilities page. Now I can do lots and lots of different things here. So I've clicked set on screen for all my services, so I can now place it where I want to. If I didn't do that, I can just unselect that, and then I just put in the X, Y, Z coordinates if I knew where they are. But I'm happy to not do that. I want to place it myself. So it's telling me here we got a Falcon gas range, so it's just a gas setting. If I click here, I've got lots of different valve options that I can put into my design, or a generic one. I think I'll just stick with whatever that is. I'm sure it's the right one. You would obviously know better than I would which is appropriate. And then I just place it as I want to. Once I've placed it, it'll ask me if I want to save that for reusing. So what that means is if I click OK here, again, to save me even more time, the next time I come to insert a G3101, it'll place that gas service exactly where I've done here without me having to do anything at all. So I can click OK there. Fine, happy days.